Hi guys, I'm putting in on Ladybird Lake today. Gonna check out the lake. I haven't fished here in over a year or so. It's been a while. Of course, you can't use your gas-powered outboard. It's just electric motors only. So go through this process of getting the boat off the trailer. I'm on the east side of I-35. This is Festival Beach Boat Launch. It's free. There's no fees or anything. Parking is just right there in front of the boat ramp. And I'll get going this morning. One of my favorite places to fish is just right behind the boat ramp. I'm just going to stay on the east side today from I-35 to South Pleasant Valley. Some really good areas, some cool parts to the lake. And I'll start off at one of the best areas. Right here. This section of the lake is really good. Back in here, this little lagoon area. It's a pretty steep drop off. It's got a bunch of rocks. And just flipping a jig under the trees. And that's a half-ounce jig with green pumpkin crawfish trailer. Pretty good keeper. First fish of the day. And I'm across the other side of the lagoon. I'm sitting here retying, and some shad start jumping out of the water, and there's a couple bass chasing them. There's a bunch of commotion and activity over there, and I just throw this white spinnerbait through the middle of all the action, and I hook up with a pretty good bass. This bird here sees everything going on. He comes in, he wants some bait fish as well. But yeah, I got a fish out of the deal. Pretty cool. Alright. Nice bass. There you go. Alright, I just found a giant one on a bed. It's a monster. It's huge. It's probably 7-8 pounds, maybe bigger. She looked pretty committed, so I'm kind of ducked down, tried to get away from her. Looked like she stayed on the bed, looked like she was committed, so try to flip this thing over in there and see if she's gonna bite. Oh boy. Woo! Alright. Ladybird Lake. Ate the Cinco. It's a big one, huh? Wow. Can't see him. Alright, there's the male. Alright, very cool. Male and the female off of the bed. I made my way further east towards Pleasant Valley. Caught a couple more fish flipping a Texas rig. The water's a lot more murky on this end of the lake. It did just rain the day before. I saw a couple beds, but I didn't see any fish on beds. The water temp when I started fishing this morning was 53.5 degrees, and at this point in the afternoon the water temp is up to 56, almost 57 degrees. So you should be able to find fish on beds all around this lake over the next couple weeks, and I think fishing will get a lot better. That's gonna finish up Ladybird Lake for today. Thanks everybody for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner for more videos in the future. My next video will be from Sam Rayburn. The BFL is out there March 3rd, and I plan on fishing that and making that be my next movie. So good luck to everybody. I'll see you out there. Thanks for watching.